and subscribe! Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Well, hello yet again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get a groovy discount. This is Nissin Cup Noodle Extra Fancy Special Chili Tomato. And it's extra special because it also has a oil spicy deal sachet. I'm using my magic ace up my sleeve. There we go. And it's 3 minutes. So you might be going, that doesn't look like a cup noodle cup, and it isn't. But here's the deal. I review a lot of instant noodles, and some of the cups just have like a plastic outer lining that's removable, and I scan that. But I save these. There's like 2 sizes that I have. The other one didn't look like it would fit, so I decided to use this one. But on Japanese instant noodles, I don't know that I've ever not seen the amount in milliliters of water to add. This one was 310, so I started the show right about when it was going to start boiling with 310 mils of water in the pot, and here we are. Granted, I don't have the lid, and it's definitely a different sized vessel. It's working out perfect though, but yeah, I just kind of stir it a little while it's going, and that's the deal. But yeah, we've been running our heat like crazy. It's cold in this sucker. This zone be cold. So I'm really wondering if I picked the right bowl thing to use for this. I've got a new bowl for the next episode, and I'm really excited about using it for the first time. The next episode I'm doing a skemen. It's spelled Tsukemen, and it looks like it's sukemen. I used to call it that, but it's pronounced skemen. So it's a dipping ramen, kind of like zaru soba. You just make like this special saucy kind of thing, and you take your noodles and you dip them in it and you eat them, and you dress up the bowl of noodles with that. So, or you dress up a bowl of noodles and then you got that on the side to dip the noodles in, and whatever other garnish you got. Usually egg, chashu, my kind of standard bit of stuff. It wouldn't let me delete that song last time I tried to. Let's fast forward a whole bunch. Yeah, what else? What's going on? It's Wednesday. It's a short day for the kids. I got 2 unboxings to do. I'm really excited about new Prima-Taste stuff, and another chili crisp I gotta unbox. Oh, come on! Spam call. Alright, now we're going to add this in. Our liquide. These are always on the top when it comes to cup noodle. Some oily kind of thing. I kind of feel like we should get a turkey. But not at the local store. God, no. But I don't know if you can see it anymore, but there is special liquid on it. And as you can see here, there's little mince bits, little meaty bit. Hydrated well. Ooh. Getting that tomato bump right off the bat. It smells good. But yeah, I'm gonna totally dress this up. And there's the thing I don't like about the chili tomato. It's like, it's got this funky bitterness to it, and I don't understand it. It's like it's good, and then it's like, oh. Oh. It confuses me. I am confused, I dare say. Well, let's see if this works, because I really like this kind of bowl thing, but I don't want to. Oh, come on. Be kind, be kind, be kind. Being kind, all right. A little bit of extra shmee in there. Did you know that Darth Vader's mother's name is Shmee? I don't know why, but I like that. That really tickles me for some reason. That's why he went to the dark side, folks. Kids used to pick on him. Hey, Darth, your mom's name's Shmee. Okay, our incredibly dark, marinated for too long in way too... Whoa. Don't fall in there and splash. Thank you for not falling in there and splashing. That does not float mine boat. Now we have egg. And we have paper towel to dry. No, yes. Egg. A bit of spring onion. And now we're going to add this other chili crisp. This is a Chinese 5-spice, or it's just 5-spice. It's from Taiwan, so I think calling it Chinese 5-spice is a Western thing. I think it's just called 5-spice. Ugh. And it doesn't want to open. There. We'll add a little bit of this. Right there. So I'm getting a lot of a like sesame note in that. Oh, that's good. And we'll add some seeds. I'll have to Photoshop out a little bit of the seeds. They kind of went willy-nilly. Yeah, there you go. Eat it. So thanks for watching. Yeah, you can find really cool stuff like this in these Nakama noodle boxes that they have on meowboxjapan.com. Yeah. MIAU boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenator for a discount. This is the third one I'm doing today. This is a Menya Musashi dipping ramen seafood tonkatsu. And so you cook the noodle, you drain it, you put it in a bowl, you garnish it like you would ramen, and then you also take 70 mils of water and mix a powder and a liquid base, and then you take the noodles out and you dip them and consume them. So it should be interesting. That's tomorrow's show. This has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.